Smell good.
Straight coconut, no coconut.
Ginger beer, bag juice.
$5 per dozen.
Yo, me a born general, man.
One thing.
I want father shark. I want to everybody know this a general. People can chat and talk. I want massacre would like that
One
chocolate.
family
You
to
know
the
that.
world.
It's a family
One
fans,
family,
you know. Yeah.
Family
Massacre,
to the world.
we don't follow back a boy.
Right now in
We don't follow
Jamaica.
back a boy, believe.
Right.
And put this
Because
on the
I think
media.
that-
One massacre. One massacre,
One
you hear
family.
that?
Yeah.
It's a family there.
One family.
Alright.
Big up family, I'm here.
Big up family and massacre. Yeah, and then lemon are big. These lemons big. I forgot to try some of these peach. It will be my first time actually I got eat peach. You can believe that? And we are gonna try it right there. So you sell half dozen though? Alright, we are gonna try some of the peach. I'm in downtown Kingston right now and me have two dege. Just one dege $2,000 bill. And today we're going to eat some street food. We're starting off at Coronation Market. And you know this is one of the biggest. This is Jamaica's biggest market. And this is where you come and get your fresh produce every single day in the heart of Kingston. And we have one dege $2,000 bill. And the first thing we're going to try today, because so we're going crazy vibes. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, give me the ripe ones. Alright. My first time I got try.
It's good for swelling and eat.
What that?
Lemon.
Oh, the lemon. Oh, alright, see that? These are the first one in us so far, you know. We have two we have one $2,000 bill, and we have to make this work today. This is how we are bouncing on the street. We're gonna find street food. We're gonna find street food, and these are the first thing so far. We're going to try some peach. And this is actually my first time I got try peach. And I can't believe that. First time I got try peach. Crazy vibes. Right, that's how we are eating. First time. Take out the surface one. Alright. So this that. Yeah, I wanna them for well soft. Not really. All of them kind of soft still. Alright. Alright, we're going to try the peach right now. Oh yeah, respect. Guys, all you see though? Guava texture. That give me a guava texture. The texture of the guava. Yeah. Soft. Oh yeah. And it's not sweet. It's not too sweet though. That's why I said that give me a guava texture. And also that flavor. I like guava also. Oh yeah, she's done. Peach. These are the first thing gone so far. Peach. You know the vibe, we can continue to walk right now. Some ginger right here, we see turmeric, lime, crazy amount of stuff, more bean. You might look like a string bean this? Peas. Local. Oh nice. So what's up? Crazy vibes. We are continuing the journey. We already bless them out. My G, man, I seen. Yes, I. Mad thing. We are trying the road same way. Crazy vibes. Oh, we see, you know what we see over here, so we never had years when I see them something here. Look on that. Susumba. Years when I see Susumba. Oh my God. cocoa there, plum there, pickle, and a banana there, man. Oh man. Boy, we kinda blessed. Boy, we blessed him out already with some peach, but we still are trying the journey. Tons of stuff here in the market. Crazy amount of stuff. Oranges. Slice up yourself. Slice up, mommy. Oh, and we see a whole heap of pumpkin there, so just look on this. Man, I see. Tons of pumpkin. Just look on that. Oh, God. Yo. These pumpkins are huge. Huge pumpkins, but I don't know over there for food. We're going, must can find some good food today. I have some spinach right here. Look close and you can see the spinach. Nice, yeah, yes, it smells so good. What's that? Manas. This is broad bean, right?
Yeah, man, tell me, come in. R&J, practice in a coronation market. You are the thing there, man.
Oh, nice. Oats right here. This is split peas, right? Split peas. Chickpeas. These are split peas also?
Yeah, that's split peas.
Oh man. Tons and tons of peas. And these are the black bean. Oh nice. This one is what?
Mix and variety.
Oh, it's just okay. Also a mixture of all of the. Oh nice. What's this one over here? Oh, this is lintel. This right here is lintel. Oh man. And are the same thing bag out yesterday, yeah? Nice. This one called black eye. Oh yeah. Oh man. We know some of them. This one is what now?
It's a type of red peas.
Oh, is that okay.
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 So,
Oh, pinto bean. Oh.
pinto bean and it's a cranberry bean. You have black eye bean.
Mm.
You have mung bean.
Mung bean?
Mung.
Oh, whoa. I never seen that one here before.
And then that's
That one is the mung bean.
And then you have a lintel that's
Oh, this is this right here.
yeah, that's a lintel.
It's lintel. Okay, same like this.
You
Yeah.
can get all the nuts that you want and stuff.
So all of the nuts them there, the cashew, also raisin, flaxseed, tons of stuff up there. Oh man, what's this right here? Oh, this is Volga. Oh, nice.
It's a cowpeas.
Oh yeah. Yo, tons of peas. Tons of peas. Um, 500. 500 a dozen. Yeah. Somebody asked where me get the pizza from. Oh man, amazing coronation vibe. Yeah, yo, just look on them, man. These are mountain piles of sweet potato, Irish potato. It might look small on the camera, but this is actually huge mountain pie. Carrots right here. Sweet potato, Irish, pure stuff. It's just a crazy vibe being in here. The smell, the smell of those fresh produce. Amazing. Big up. Bless up. Oh, look on them, man. You good? Pick up yourself, yeah? Oh, I can't eat, sir?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I not get fat.
I'm not get fat, not true.
Yes, so you can see up on YouTube and say, right, I'm a friend.
Oh my God. Huh? The yard life's good. Yeah. Yard life's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, yard life's good. Oh yeah. Yeah, we have to bless you up on the plug, you know. You cool?
Yeah, so
okay, we just bless you.
Yeah.
Bless up Miss Sophia. Big up. She said me every time she see me I eat, I'm not get fat. That's why I go still. That's a vibe. Big up Miss Sophia. Yeah. Oh yeah. Journey continues. Right here in Coronation. Yeah man. Hey, afternoon. Big up. Yeah man, you good?
Yeah.
Big up yourself man. What's this?
Bitter melon or bitter gourd.
So it's bitter melon?
Yes, or bitter gourd.
So it's a fruit, can't eat?
Yes, it's a part of the Cersei family.
Oh,
Like the zucchini is a part of the cucumber family.
yeah.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay, nice.
They're similar.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. What them corn are going in soup?
Yeah, sweet corn.
Oh, sweet corn.
Them can eat that same way so.
Same way, sir?
If your stomach can't take it. You want to taste it?
Yeah, I want to taste it right now. Just one little piece, just a few grain. You said can't eat, so me I go try it, you know.
Yes,
Thank you.
man, can't
See
eat
there?
it.
All right. If you can do it, me can do it.
Yeah.
But it's sweet. This not taste so different from when it's in you pot them.
Let me tell you something. I'm going to tell you about the soup now, you know.
You just chew in it.
You're 29, you're alright. So you know, you don't have problem.
Same way.
It's ready already.
Ready already. Bless up yourself.
Yeah.
Bless up.
Yeah.
Sweet corn. Oh yes. That's a vibe. We still a walk through. Right now, we're trying to find food. We want to find food. Where are the food spots? think them say food around here, so inside Coronation I can actually get good cooked food, so we're going to see what going around here. So. Yeah man. Oh yeah, we see pot. We see pots. Oh yes. When you know one spot there on coal fire, food up in that. I can see what going on now.
Yeah, but almost 2 pieces alone there. Oh, there's a cooked chicken.
Oh, chicken. So home style chicken.
Yeah. So white rice, served with 2 peas or chop suey.
Oh God.
Rice and peas.
Oh, rice and peas not ready yet. That smell good.
Yeah, straight
That
coconut.
smell good.
Straight coconut. No coconut.
Yo. And what else there?
This is chop suey.
Oh, chop suey. Oh yes. 2 peas around there too. Oh man. We're going to eat food, you know? Yes man. Oh, we find food. Found food. And boy, I look like something I go over my budget. Because the smallest one costs $800. But you know, we can't pass it. This home style chicken looks so good. And we have to go down in some of this. Oh my God. Yo, and the rice and peas smell good, but the rice and peas not ready yet. But you know, we're going to eat some of that home style. You know the vibe. The yard life, you know, man. Yes, man. Alright. Wow, this home style chicken look golden. Oh, you cut them in a like leg, wing and that. Yeah. Anything at all, man. I'm good still. Alright, that's it. Oh yeah. Can put wing. Oh yeah, that.
Mix it, but it's not obliged.
Alright, no problem. Thank you so much. Respect. Thank you so much. First real food. Oh man. Yo, now take a look on this. Oh, we get some of that oh, let me show you what I want. So we got some home style chicken, and we got some of that chicken chop suey. So home style chicken with chicken chop suey, and we also got that white rice with cucumber on the side and big old salad. I can go down there. Yo, this smells so good. Some of the nicest food you'll ever eat is in like way down in a them kind of place here. Down in the ghettos on the street side. Them kind of place here we definitely get some of that nice Jamaican home style cooking. And watch it. A coal fire. So you know the food are go nice. We go down in this. Yeah man. Yo, amazing. What I'm telling you now? Oh, yo, that pepper. That pepper is amazing. That pepper sting. Guys, chop suey is amazing. This chop suey is amazing. Oh my God. Yeah man, bless up yourself man. And the water here. Please. Yo. What's the name of this spot? Oh, Chanel. Oh. So it's Chanel Homestyle Kitchen. I'm not gonna find her right inside Coronation Market. Man, at first me actually I come deep inside Coronation like this to actually hunt food. We never know say them good food here. Down here. Respect. Thank you so much. Yeah, man. Just get back some change. I'll go and take a bite out of this home style chicken. It's what I'm telling you about Jamaican food and coal fire cooking, especially down in the ghettos. You can't go wrong. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong. Some of the nicest set of food you will ever eat. And I'll know we not touch the rice. But just by there's a texture of that with that fork. You can feel the fork. You can see the fork that's a slip right through that. That steam when you come out, well shelly and nice. Oh. Well, come like say coconut juice in this white rice. So. Oh. Amazing. Boy, I never know. As a God, I never know say we could have come in a coronation and come get them type of food here. Amazing. I also get lettuce too, you know, man. Okay. Cucumber. Can't go wrong in a dung so. Boy, look at me, I go over my budget in because to buck up on more good food. I'm going to go over. That chicken chop suey is amazing though. Well seasoned. As you got the first thing when you go into that is that pepper just like box it up. That's the first thing. We have a nice salad right here. Go and continue eating. You know the vibe. Yeah, man.
Sure, make us say pretty easy.
Alright. Why? Oh, I ate this.
Yes, like vegetables, so
oh man, this I go out for your customer right now. Oh, a fish that?
fish
Oh, fish hockey. Man, that's J. Boy, this place is amazing. Boy, we still have $800 left, you know. That food was $800. I remember we buy peach because we have to kickstart the man with that vibe and we buy food plus water. We still have to try the journey and we are going to see what going again. Oh. Ah, yes, man. It's a ginger beer.
Yeah.
Much one of them? 50. 50? Yeah, man, we can try one, man. What you say, ginger beer and what? Oh, alright, I could try one of the ginger beer. So right now we're trying a ginger beer bag juice. No, a ginger beer one. Much you say feed? $50?
Yeah.
Respect. Yeah, no look softer one in there. No look softer one in there. One softer one. Yeah man, that one is soft, not ice at all. Yeah man, respect. Thank you.
Hello.
See it there? Ginger beer. We just eat some food. We just eat some food up there, some home style chicken. That's why I go sometimes I have to look out for them, you know. I help them. True. For real, man. We just eat some home style chicken up here, so some of that chicken chop suey with that white rice, amazing vibe. We're still inside, and we just say I'm gonna sell some ginger beer, bag juice. Ginger beer. I'm gonna see how strong this be. No ginger in this. No ginger in this. But it cool, it's quench your thirst still. You can't go wrong once you bounce one of these bag juice. Whether them say ginger in it or not, or a ginger beer, it's nice. Quench thirst, good too. Like me I tell you that sting look a bit. And then shake up. Oh yes, it a jump in and now. I like me I tell. It a settle in you know, man. Aye, boss I guess. Yes man, you can boss I guess. Oh yes. That's a vibe. The journey continues. The one I buckle.
Yeah man, I want them mad man.
Why it's one I buckle. Come like a rotten pepper, then put another one there. But you know, say, like me I tell you, when I start kicking, his throat a sting, you know. Just start kicking. You don't know the vibes. Yeah, for real. Crazy vibes in our place here.
Big trailer man, woman top pocket jeans, 1,400. 1,200 get straight jeans them for the ladies. 1,200 get straight jeans them for the ladies. The woman top pocket jeans them 1,400. 1,400 get woman top pocket jeans. Woman wear white t-shirt and marina. Big trailer man.
Yeah, check it out. Big sale I go on pan them shows. You know what I say? Big sale I go on pan them shows. All style, all brand. Yeah, man. We have the Jamaica, we have the kickers, we have the Rainbow.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I miss you, man. Big up, man.
Cucumber 50, cucumber 50, fifla cucumber, tomato 50, fifla tomato 50, tomato 50, carrot 50, fifla carrot 50, sweet pepper 100,
Big up. Let's up yourself. Let's up.
Beetroot 100, beetroot 100,
It's a 60 a pound.
Beetroot 100. 100 a beetroot.
Carrot at
100 a
60.
beetroot.
Carrot 60
Come
carrot.
on, a pumpkin.
Alright.
100 a pumpkin. 100 a pumpkin. 100 a pumpkin. Pumpkin a 100. Pumpkin a 100. Pumpkin a
Cucumber 100, cucumber 100, cucumber 100, cucumber 100.
Bless up.
Onion 160, 180. Come dash in there, yap there. Look at some mama. Buy at 200. Come dash in cocoa there. Look at some now. $70 pound cabbage. $70 cabbage. $100 pumpkin. $100. Tomato $80. Lettuce 150. Pop chai 100. Buy over one stop, cheap market. Tomato $80. Come salad 100. Chimney 100. 250 sweet, yellow belly sweet. $80 $100 locally. Cheap Irish, cabbage $70. Tomato $80. Over here, so sweet pepper 150. Come cucumber there, scallion there. Onion Irish. Onion 160, 180. Come dash in there. Look at some mama. Buying at 200. Come dash in cocoa there. Look at some now. $70 pound cabbage. $70 cabbage. $100 cabbage.
We yet to find a soup man, but we're still trying the street. Hopefully we walk up on a soup man and we can get some good soup today. We actually eat some food already, but still in need of that soup.
The water from your pipe make your food be your medicine, and your medicine your food, and the doctor never see you $50 a pound tomato. See tomato yesterday $50 a pound, tomato $50 a pound, scallion $50 a pound, cabbage $50 a pound. Cabbage at $50 a pound, tomato at $50 a pound, scallion at $50 a pound. See slice salad them there, so slice tomato them $100 for the bigger tomato, $100 for the bigger tomato. Pound scallion, $50 a pound tomato. The sliced tomato, $100 a pound, $150 a pound for onion, $100 a pound.
Peace and love. Peace and love. Bless up yourself, man. True. Mick. True. Bless up yourself, man. You're the yard life's good. This is yard life, and we are showing the people them yard life. Cecile,
yeah, one love.
Blessings, mother.
Anywhere you go, full of love always.
Peace and love, every time, every time. That's guava right there. Guava that. Tons of raspberry, tons of mangoes. Look like some jewelry right here. Amazing sweet mangoes. Planting crazy amount of stuff there. These are East Indian over there. So.
And then watch a rap and I say, don't go back to the here. Don't go back to the
Yo, them sprat are big. These are huge. How much a pound? Okay. Oh, these are for 4.
No, these are for 8.
Them are for 8. Okay. Oh, the smaller ones. Okay. Nice. Nice. Oh, whoa.
Arizona 250. Flavor Arizona 250, Mara. Mara, oh, fire, Mara, better buy me a rice flour, sugar and come here. Mara 150.
Oh, wow. A chicken butt this?
Curry, jive, pumpkin.
Right now we see some chicken. We see some chicken back inside here right now. We're gonna try some of that.
$300. 4 pound of carrot, $300. Mother, father, good food and glory. Mother, 1 bag of scotch bonnet pepper, $100. 1 bag of scotch bonnet pepper, $100. 1 bag, $400. Mother, father, local ginger.
Ketchup there.
Local
Pepper.
ginger.
Oh, yeah.
A bag ginger. 150.
Oh, I put some ketchup on it and pepper also. Ketchup and pepper. Yeah, man.
Sweet potato, $200. 1 pound of sweet potato, $200. Yellow belly potato. Another worm.
Enough pepper.
1 pound of sweet potato, $200.
Oh, yeah.
1 pound of sweet potato.
Pepper for days. Now come out. Alright, any look who catch me bounce with it. Nothing wrong. Respect. Find some chicken back. So this is some French fried chicken back. French fried chicken. Yo, that pepper you smell rank. Yo, this pepper smell rank. That pepper you smell like it a go bad. You can't just like it, the center come right through the back. This is some French fried chicken back. Hold on. That the pepper last, because we not taste it. But we are smell it. Let me see if it look like pepper on that one. Oh. You smell the pepper, but no, we not taste it. Oh, whoa, hold on. You see piece of seed. You see piece of seed on that one. Drop inside the pepper, must upon this. Oh yeah, see there? Look closer right there, you can see the seed. Pepper definitely on the part. Yeah, yeah, what? Sorry, mother. Sorry. I sit down, we'll catch, we'll take a catch in a downtown. Yeah. Chicken back is a very popular meat here in Jamaica. Especially in the countryside, you're going to find chicken back cooking a lot. Whether it be curry or brown stew or just fried down and cooked down. But this right here is French fried chicken back. Next time you come downtown, there's no sound you can find French fried chicken back. Somewhere. And I'll know we don't find the soup, man. There are tons of soup, man, all about I walk up and down pushing the cart. Tons of soup spots all about in a downtown Kingston, but really we want to find the ones that pushing that cart who can really and truly get some authentic, genuine soup from coal fire soup from. One thing with chicken back in full of bone. Yeah, man. It's a bone meat. But it's a old group, man. Chicken back. Especially in our country. In a bag. Chicken back in a bag. Wow, the place is busy. Tons of people all about. Everybody are go to work. Everybody are doing their business. I sell. People are buy. After you eat off all of that meat, this is what I really leave. Mainly bone. But that's chicken back. Yeah man, you can't get rid of that. What people tend to do though is getting that. Most people would prefer buying that hand cut chicken back, because the hand cut have more meat, it have more flesh on it, yeah, than the regular chicken back. But the chicken back, you can't go wrong with that same way. Bite bone and suck out bone. Whether I curry or a brown sauce, suck out the bone out of it. Yes man. That's the vibe. Look on this. This is pure flesh right here. Just look like even the hand cut. Pure flesh. Yeah man. You know the vibe. Yeah, life good. Just done mash up some chicken back, and right from the same spot them have snow cone. So we're going to try that snow cone also. Right here in downtown Kingston. So I'm going for snow cone.
Ginger. And we have local ginger. Half pound, 250. And you can get 150 a bag ginger. 150.
Yeah man, you can put water on it.
Yellow belly potato. 1 pound of sweet potato, 200. 1 pound of sweet potato, 200.
Eh? Oh, we can pick a color straight too. Oh, any color. Oh yes, respect. Give thanks. Snow cone. Oh, snow cone. Snow cone in a downtown Kingston. Yeah man. Well, I forgot to take a seat again. I'll take another seat. Boy, and you see what I go on? Snow cone, so we just mash up some chicken back. And now we're going to the snow cone. Boy, this is refreshing. And now we're not finding a soup. But we're going some soup. We don't have so much more money we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 350. So we have $350 left. $350 left, and we have to use this for soup. We want to find soup. And also we are going to miss a good amount of stuff, because even shrimp, like in downtown Kingston you can find that pepper shrimp, you can find that peanut drop, almond drops, all of them stuff there. But you don't know the vibe. We still have full belly same way. We have $350 left. We are going to walk one, but we're not done yet. Put back the money there in the pocket and we're going to finish the snow cone. Some of this ice. Refreshing. Lemon. That's the vibe. Boy, the journey continues in our downtown. Just mash down some French fried chicken back. Yeah man, wicked French fried chicken back. And right now, we're there with a snow cone. I finish up. I don't know the vibes. Oh man. Oh, still trying to find that soup man. We not stop until we find that soup man today. We need to find that soup man. Yes man. I try to find a soup man. How am I find a soup man? Soup man. Soup. Oh my God. Nobody don't know what the soup man there. How am I find the soup man? Soup. How am I find the soup man? Him not come out yet. Boy, I look like so now I get no soup today. Been asked people for the soup man. Everybody say him not come out yet, but we're going to still try the street. Hopefully we'll find him or find a different soup man. And the place is super busy. But you don't know, we are try the street same way. Yeah man, with the rest of snow cone. Oh, look like we see a jerk chicken over here. So. Jerk chicken vibes. Look on this. Oh, you sell the chicken at them? 354 bills. 1 neck boss. What? Oh, 1 neck boss. 1 neck boss on TikTok. Boy, we just try to find the soup man, but it look like the money I got done for him because we have $350 leave. And I feel like we're going to get some of this. No, sir. Wow. So we get a mixture. We get a mixture with the chicken neck and the gizzard.
Yeah, that's 4 bills.
Oh, that's a 4 bills.
Yeah.
Then suppose me have 350, me can't get the same way. Yeah, man. Oh, God. See it, I lost 350 left. I soup man did forget it, but why? See it, we can't go left the chicken neck them and the gizzard them. Oh my God. Oh yes, definitely man. How long you jerk these, bro? Over 5 years now. Oh, respect my G, manners. See there? Respect. All right, manners. So go on, yeah. Oh yes, that's the vibe right here in downtown Kingston. Boy, we have $350 left. We have to go do a part 2. What do you think? Crazy vibes. Jerk chicken neck and gizzard. It's been years since me have me eat some gizzard, and we find that jerk. And also we have more of this snow cone left. But you know, we just find a spot in a downtown Kingston and we just eat. Right on West Street. Right on West Street. Oh man.
Tell him seven, stop with a flippy flat man, not with a short.
Hello, brother. Yo. No, the flavor is amazing. And this chicken neck, look on the steam and come on. Yeah, this is super hot. It's literally up on the fire right there, so it's well hot. Full of ketchup, full of pepper. Why downtown? They can't go wrong. They get food to the week. We have to come back. Only thing. Only thing they want to try and know. A lot of things they will still not try and know. Look, this is a bag with jerk, chicken neck, and gizzard. Yeah, man.
Come and get your saltfish fritters, $100 to get a saltfish fritters, $100.
Oh man, crazy vibe. Yeah man. Why? Really that try find a soup man, but the soup man them fail me today. I'm not lie. And tons of soup man always pushing those carts in downtown Kingston with soup. And you see the thing is, when you now look for them, at them time they buck them up. But now that we are hunted down, we can't find none. But a crazy vibe same way. Tons of food. Jerk chicken neck, snow cone. Oh yes, and some crazy home style chicken. Some what else we had? That chicken back. Oh God. Crazy vibes. Yeah man. $1,400, get a woman for pocket jeans. Yeah man, we have white t-shirts and marina. Check it out, big tailor.